So I put together, next stage now, put together a bank of chargers. I just soldered wires onto the wall warts, connected them to a gang connector, and that runs to a mains lead which goes to my 220 volt supply. I've already done a few chargings just to test it overnight. It's done well, and I'm running a fan here to keep this cool. I did have some issues with an overheating battery and a high internal resistance one there, but these are the units, the Littokalas, and they are working well. As you can see, just slot in a battery. This one already is charged up, but that's what you get. It's a fully charged battery, no need to charge it again. All tested on the normal test cycle. These are waiting to be charged, and I have a whole bunch more. I've been testing the current draw. As you saw in the previous video, the spot welder is ready, and I have a whole bunch of nickel for working on the batteries. I lengthened these cables so that I can reach my 12 volt lead acid battery more easily. And yeah, that's it. It's a whole bunch of batteries here to be done, and a whole bunch more coming. When they're done, the house will get a Powerwall. The Landy will get a lithium ion storage battery instead of the current lead acid deep cycle. And then I'll start doing, I have orders for 4 Powerwalls, each of around 100 amp hours, which is quite a bit of battery charging to do. And I don't think I have enough batteries here yet, but they are on the way, so we will see. I have a bunch here for salvage, which I will start, and a few here which I will also charge again, test again. That's it, ready to go. Watch this space for the next update.